how to set up a Bitcoin node on your machine. Before going into details, I would like to invite you to my Medium blog on which I usually share a lot of articles on blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So you can go to medium.com/blockchain explain to find out more about my blog. Without taking a lot of time, let me go into the details about how you can set up a Bitcoin node on your machine. So let's say we don't know anything about Bitcoin node and how to set it up. So what I gonna do now is I just gonna go to Google and I just gonna type how to set up a Bitcoin node. So running a Bitcoin full node, let's go into the first URL and see what we are instructed to do. So this is the bitcoin.org website, and here we can see they are explaining about what is a full node, what are costs and warnings, and how to secure your wallet, and minimum requirements that are needed for your machine in order to launch a Bitcoin wallet. And this you can find a lot of instructions. If you are a Linux user, you can just follow the instructions on how to set up a Bitcoin wallet on your Linux machine, and this is the instructions that you need to follow for the Windows machine, and this is for Mac. So without taking a lot of time, let me go and do it on my Mac. So what I need to do now is I need to go to the first instruction, that is to go here and download the Bitcoin core. So how we gonna download the Bitcoin core is, yeah, you need to click here and then you will be redirected to the Bitcoin core page, and in here you can see on the right side there are different versions of Bitcoin releases, the core releases. So you can I'm having Mac, so I'm gonna click on Mac OSX. So it's downloading me a Bitcoin installer. Let's wait for it to get downloaded. It's taking a bit of time, but in the meanwhile, like you can see, Bitcoin is quite open source, and if you want to run the entire code from the scratch, you can just go to the Bitcoin repository, and this is the Bitcoin repository. You can clone this repo and you can run this repository, and you can get the same full node running on your machine by using the installer, and by using the code also you can just run the same installer. So the good thing about the Bitcoin is to solve the problem of peer-to-peer electronic cash. In 2008, Satoshi had invented this cryptocurrency, and it kind of solved the problem of peer-to-peer cash, but the adoption for this is quite high and a lot of people are using Bitcoin nowadays. Let's get our download got downloaded, and let's install it now. Yeah, now we're gonna just drag this into the applications folder. Yeah, I got my Bitcoin core already, so I'm just gonna replace it. So I got the Bitcoin core installed on my machine, so I clicked on it and I click on open. Now what's gonna happen? Bam, we got Bitcoin core. Yeah, loading block indices. So yes, so this is what you're gonna get when you just open. What is happening here is the number of blocks left is this is like 400,000 blocks that are remaining for me from the current block on the Bitcoin network, and the progress is 0.15% right now, and which means that I need to sync the 99% of the nodes. It's gonna take 2 days for me to completely sync the network, after which I'm gonna have the access for sending and receiving the tokens, and I can create my account. Yeah, I can do pretty much what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I can show you a light version implementation. So basically you don't need to run a complete full node of Bitcoin blockchain on your machine in order to have a Bitcoin blockchain. So what I'm gonna tell you is I'll show you the alternative way for running your own wallet. So this demo which I showed till now is how to run your full node. It's just kind of very simple if you are using Windows and Mac machines. But if you are using Linux, then it will be a bit difficult, and you can run from the scratch from the code. Yeah, I'll give you another demo on that in my next video tutorial, but for time being I'm gonna show you the easiest and the simplest um, way for running a small wallet which can hold your Bitcoin, and you can transfer it and you can pay for your friends and whoever you want. So Electrum is a kind of open source wallet that supports Bitcoin, and you can just download Electrum and you can install it on your machine. You can get for the Android, OS X, and Windows as well as Linux. I got my Electrum downloaded, so let's install the Electrum and see how it works. I already have my Electrum, so I need to replace this one with my current, replace this in my applications folder. So I'm just gonna drag it here. So I'm just gonna replace it now. So I got a new Electrum Bitcoin wallet. So let me type Bitcoin. Yeah, this is my Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Not be open because it's not from the unidentified. So what I need to do now is I need to go to my settings, and then I need to go to my user groups, not actually user groups, sorry. I need to go to the security part, and then general, yeah, open anyway. I need to key in my password. Yeah, I need to modify the settings and then open it. So I need to type a password because I already have. Yeah, I keyed in my password. Now I'm just gonna click next. Oh, it's an incorrect password. Let me type again. Yes, here we go. So this is how you're just gonna key in your recipient's uh, Bitcoin address, and then you can tell the description for what purpose you're gonna transfer the Bitcoin and the amount that you want to send. When you say max, it will select the maximum amount of Bitcoin that's present in your wallet, and then you can select the gas, and then you can click on send. If you want to receive, you can share this QR code with your friends, and then you can receive. This green button here shows you the network status, and yeah, and this one will show you your key, your seed, if you seed in the private key if you have the password with you, and this one can just change the appearance. So this is the basic demonstration on how to set up a Bitcoin node on Mac, and how to run your first and the simplest Bitcoin wallet on your machine. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope to see you guys again in the next video, and I'll demonstrate about Bitcoin setup on Linux machines in the next video. Thank you.